Hello, and thanks again for attending today's virtual open house here at Montclair State. I hope you enjoyed the event and I hope you found it productive, that you got your questions answered about our programs, our campus, our support for our students, and I hope that you see us as a good fit to your graduate education.
We want to thank you for the time you have spent with us today. We know that your time is valuable and scarce, and we appreciate your decision to spend part of your Sunday with us. We expect that our programs will be a good fit for your educational and professional future.
There's two things you should know before you go. One, for attending today's event, you're going to receive an application fee waiver. So when you do apply to a graduate program here at Montclair State, we'll waive the $60 application fee. So I encourage you to apply. It's free. And two, we're going to be sending you a post-event survey so you can tell us how did we do today. I encourage you to submit it and tell us your thoughts about today's event. If you have any remaining questions, please contact the graduate school by phone, by email, and we'll do our best to get you an answer.
We are here for you to help and support you throughout your academic and professional journey. Hope to see you again soon.
So good luck in your future, and I hope I can welcome you back one day as a Red Hawk.